How to make a chili garlic oil.
Hi guys, for today's videos, we're making chili garlic oil. Sorry guys, chili garlic oil. So now, tatarin ang bawang hanggang maging pulbos. At ipahid mo sa mukha mo. Pulbos. Mahilig ka pa si siomay? Kasi ako, paborito ko yun. Kaya naman, gumagawa si mami ng chili garlic oil. So guys, habang pinipino ni mami, magkakanta muna ako. Just me, just me, give it a chance now to my hands. Stop. In a minute you pop, chill, stop to dance. No, say like you know, I want to love. You know to singing for somebody like me. Come on from Miley, and baby Tracy took Miley. Say boy, that you took too much, and under the shin to that body on me. Come on from Miley. Ikikwento ko si Mr. Beast sa inyo guys. Tignan nyo guys. Ikikwento ko na guys ha. Maya guys. Mamaya na. Diba mayaman si Mr. Beast? At madami siyang pera palagi. Tapos bumibili siya ng iPhone 16 palagi. Tapos pinapamigay niya sa mga Ploby. Tapos Tapos guys, grabe, ang yaman niya talaga guys. Nakakabili siya ng boat na kagaya ng gold, barko na, gold, barko na gold. Yun yung lang guys. Goodbye guys. So guys, tatarad-tarad na yung sili guys. Ayun guys. Yan guys oh. Tinatarad-tarad na. Mahilig pa kayo sa sili guys? Ako mahilig guys. Sarap kaya ng sili guys. Tikman niyo kaya. Guys, hindi nyo lang ako nakikita kumakain ng sili. Matamis-tamis guys. Shout out nga pala sa mga follower ko. Shout nga pala kay kay Mami, tsaka kay Daddy, tsaka kay Tatame, tsaka kay Bamboy, tsaka dun kay Tataning, tsaka dun kay Papang, tsaka dun kay Tutong, tsaka dun kay kay Mamang, tsaka dun sa lola ko. Nakalimutan ko pala si Tata J. I love you so much more. Tata J, nag-count ka na, love. Miss you, love. Love you, love. Mwah! Tatame, shout out sa'yo dahil alam mo kung anong ship, kung anong Joke lang tatame. Love you. Mwah! Guys, tara na, magluluto na tayo. Ito, magigisa na tayo ng bawang at sili. Guys, kakantahan ko na naman kayo guys. Nakabali ako ng kanta kanina eh. Tagyan nyo yun ng asukal tsaka sibuyas guys. Pangpalasa guys. Ito na guys, kanta na ako. If it turns now to my head, stop. In a minute you could pop, singing, stop to dance. Singing like you know I want to love. Another thing for somebody like me. Not Miley, and baby Tracy took Miley. Say boy, took it so much. Somebody on me. Not Miley, not Miley. Guys, lagyan nyo din ng suka guys para humaba ng buhay. So yan guys, luto na guys. Ready nyo na yung siomay. Yummy, may tumi, kakanta na ako. Give it a chance now to my head. Stop in a minute to chew pop, stop to dance. Seem like you know I want your love. You know the ding for somebody like me. Knock on my lip, knock on my lip. I'm missing you.